Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start our Unit 6 Television versus Newspaper. So basically, in the ages of information technology, television and newspaper have emerged as two types of popular mass medias. It means that in a present scenario or in a present era, we have two sources of information. One is television and other is newspaper. These two types of media have become more and more essential in our modern life. As you all know that this is an era of information technology, so we need an information of every country, every particular city, or every weather condition. So firstly, both newspaper and television are invented with the purpose of providing information to their audiences, and it is rightly said that that we need information, and whatever the source is, it's up to us that how we utilize different sources of getting information. Either we are comfortable with television or we are comfortable with newspaper. It's up to one's it's basically one's own choice that what kind of media he requires or not. They are used to transfer information from all over the world in the fast speed. Both the television and these are basically similarities between television and newspaper, because both are the sources of information and we cannot deny the importance of both media. We cannot say that television is better than newspaper or newspaper is better than television. Both have their own advantages or their own consequences. They give every people chances to have a view of the world, although they don't have occasions to discover each corner of each country through though program systems such as news, reviews, classified, current affairs, etc. In a TV, we have a choice that we can watch different kind of news, or we can watch different talk shows. But if we talk about newspaper, we have a choice of reading column of different writers, so we can get the point of views of different people through TV or through newspaper both. Secondary, TV has many channels like sports, entertainment, news, exploration, etc. Just as newspapers has segments like politics, sports, economics, etc. to serve people with specific purposes. As I already told that both medias have their different corners and their different programs, so we cannot deny their importance. The readers can ignore unexpected information in newspapers, similar to the watchers can change channels on TV if the shows are playing is not interested them. Basically, in a newspaper, the reader can omit the information which is not basically attracting to the reader, and similarly, watchers can change the channel from the TV. Despite these similarities, the TV and newspaper have some very significant differences, and the first obvious difference is the way two types of media express the information. This is the very basic point, or very important point, that showing news on both medias are have just different way. Newspaper has been printed in letters, sentences, column, and limited pictures, while TV has been recorded with vivid imagination, 24 frames per second, and diversity of color that easier to catch people's attention. And that is a main point, that why people give importance to to TV channels instead of newspaper. One news on newspaper can appear in a large font to attract readers and help them decide should or should not continue read it. But it's hard to predict with part is main part on the TV program. And this is very right thing, that whenever we watch TV and we are actually not following a program for very in a very starting moment, so we have to understand the topic after 10 to 15 minutes, that what kind of discussion is going on in this segment or in this program. Here is the question related to this unit, and that is, how is a newspaper more convenient medium of news? An answer for this: newspaper does not require us to sit at a place and read the news. Busy people may read the newspaper any time of the any day. They may choose to omit certain aspects of the news that they are not interested in. Thus, newspaper is a more convenient medium of news, and it is right that you can read a newspaper at anywhere, at office, at home, at your car, and during your journey, wherever you want to take it with you. How does a viewer get restricted while watching TV news? Television requires its viewers to be at certain place and at certain time in order to watch and listen to the news. The viewer cannot choose which piece of news he wishes to skip. Thus, the viewer gets restricted while watching TV news. In what way viewing news on TV is easier than reading a newspaper? Viewing news on TV requires little effort and a little skill of language because everything is visual and auditory. In comparison, the reader of a newspaper needs to be a proficient in the language in order to understand it better. Thus, viewing news on TV is easier than reading a newspaper. It's absolutely correct. How does television make us lazy? We view the news or any other program at television without any effort. Watching too much television slows down our body's metabolism because we spend so much time with a numb mind doing nothing. Thus, television more than anything else makes us lazy. How does newspaper give us more in-depth coverage? Although televisions can give us the most updated news and visuals, newspaper can give us more in-depth coverage. Editorials and column writers can give us their expert views and analysis that we can digest slowly as we read them. We have multiple choices and we have multiple point of views in reading the newspaper. Why do some people read more than one newspaper? Some people opt to read more than one newspaper a day because to get different viewpoints of the news and to check the validity of news. They actually prefer to read more than one newspaper to check the validity that either this information is correct or not. How can readers give feedback to the newspaper articles? Feedback is the information or statements of opinion about something for its improvement. The readers can give feedback to the newspaper articles by getting their writing published in the public or open forum. It means that you can provide feedback to the newspaper by writing a letter to the editor or writing a letter or writing a column in that newspaper. Which medium do you prefer for news? Why? I prefer newspapers for news because they are convenient. They are in a easy access. They can be read at any time and at any place. Uninterested aspects of the news can be skipped easily. Moreover, newspaper give more in-depth coverage. So my point of view is to read a newspaper is better than watching television program. Okay students, make your notes of this unit, and after making notes learn these questions. Thank you.